is 7531 is the keywords for the key box. Okay. Now I put this is the door, the key for the door, and then I put it inside. And then I close it. Then if you want to open, you need to prove it to the 7 5 3 1 7 5 3 1. Okay, and then you can prove it is. You will see the key inside. You will see the key inside. Okay, and then you use this key to open the door. Okay, normally use the key to open the door. This is no use. This no use. Okay, use this to open the door. Okay, open the door. Then you will see, okay, this is the living room. This is the living room, but this is not your room. This is the kitchen, and this is the H1. This is your room. This is your room.